Good morning, Tradeify Nation, and welcome to another London session stream. It is the 30th of October 2025, and we are ready to crush the markets. I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the chat, how was yesterday? Are you doing well, first of all? Second of all, have you been green? Did you end the day green yesterday? Did you sit it out because of FOMC? Did you end it red? What happened? I am so ready, guys. It's gonna be a good day after FOMC. We should be good now with moves, and the volume is there, honestly. So the market is moving, which is great. That means we can get started today. Actually, let me look it up. I think it is like day 23-ish of the Zero to Hero challenge. We are in version 2 of that. Let me look it up. Yeah, 22. Day 22 of the Zero to Hero challenge. Our account is up $735. So let's get it to 1K today, shall we? That is the plan. That is the plan. Let's look at the charts. The London Open is in 29 seconds. So as you can obviously tell, we have way more volume than usual, way bigger candles, right? The 5-minute candles currently have like, actually right now the volume went down a bit, but it was at 1,000, which is pretty high for a pre-market London. Right now we are sitting at 26,273 on the NQ. ES is synced. I'll go and break it down in a second here. But the market opens right now. Ding, 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 ding. Big Ben is calling. Let's get started. London is open. Let's see where this takes us. Now, right now, I don't see any setups in this very second. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to break down the market and see what has happened in the overnight session. I mean, so far today, what happened was we did take out previous day high. We did establish a new all-time high at 26,398.75 on the NQ, and also have retraced pretty much to 50% range of the day so far. On the hourly, I mean, you can see it here very well. The open was at 26,154. We moved up, as I said, made that new all-time high, had the big move to the downside at 12 a.m. and since then have been consolidating with a couple inside candles here on the hourly. So what I'm waiting for is a clear direction move in one direction so we can capitalize on that. That's the plan. That's the plan. But right now it's consolidation, so we got to be patient on this. Let's see. Any questions in the chat? Anything you want to know? Please go ahead, type it in the chat. What do we have here? Mick, any support questions, please? I cannot help you with that. I'm not support. I'm Tradeify TV host. So put them in Discord. Corey says, Nick, we're going to catch a banger or what? Hell yeah, we're going to catch a banger. What the hell? Ursula, good morning. Good morning. Corey, good morning. Michael, good morning. Mick, Jean, Jimmy, JPD, good morning. Fun with Folds, good morning. Patrick, good morning. Adam, Kirill, Peter, Alberto, Saturday, Dandy, Roser, Varma, Graphene. Good morning, everybody. Let's crush it together today, shall we? Paul says, please look at gold. Yeah, that's the second thing we're going to do, actually. On the daily, gold yesterday swept previous day's high and close within the range. So technically a continuation setup to the downside, which is definitely interesting. However, so far today we have swept yesterday's low and are now moving higher. So I'm a bit unsure what's going to happen here on gold. Honestly, we did respect previous day low. That level was respected very, very, very nicely. And yeah, let's see where this takes us. Let's see where this takes us. Previous day high sitting at 4,046. The low sitting at 3,929. Daily open today was at 3,942. And we're currently rejecting previous day mid. So is this great for longs right now? Not really. Is it great for shorts right now? Not really, because I don't see a setup. So for me, it's waiting it out, wait and see. Wait and see. NQ is trying to push up here. No wick to the downside yet on this hourly candle. So I do expect that we're going to retrace this move that we made so far. And we're going to come back down a little. ES in sync. So let's see. Hey, loving nature guy. I'm good. How are you? Thanks for asking. Stephen, good morning from Greece. Well, good morning from Switzerland. Price seems like consolidating on NQ. I'm going to wait for a sweep off the extremes or maybe a M5 H1 model for shorts. Yep, I'm with you there. I'm with you there. Minjruta, no, I've never used order flow. Guys, make sure you smash the like button because today we need 355 likes to do another 50k growth account giveaway. 355. Kirill, yes, London Open is right now. Because of the time change, it's all messed up. But this Sunday, it's going to go back to normal. So keep that in mind. London Open is right now, though. Or it was 3 minutes ago, actually. Giuseppe says there's an SMT on 5 minute ES. Yep, that's true. NQES does have an SMT right now. Overall, the higher time frame is bearish right now, based on this 4-hour liquidity sweep. However, we swept both the high and the low on the 4 hours, so I'm not really convinced. That is showing me that we are pretty much just consolidating. Graphene, hell yeah, we're going to 60k subs. We're sitting at 56,700. Absolutely insane, guys. Absolutely insane. And this Sunday, 2nd of November, the Tradeify Grand Cup starts. So that's going to be very, very exciting. Corey says, killed my funded yesterday around 12 p.m. Not respecting my stop loss. Kept moving it. Still learning the discipline. Struggle a lot during big market events. Then just wait till the news day is over. Yeah, very unfortunate, Corey. Sorry to hear that. Luckily, we do have a 45% off sale right now. If you use code TREAT, treat, 45% off Lightning funded accounts, 25k, 50k, and 100k. So maybe that lights up the mood for you. But sticking to the system and being disciplined is the key, Corey. You got it. You got it. You can do it. Hey, what's up, Leia? Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, the stream wasn't scheduled. There was an error on our end. But it is here now. You know, we never missing out on streams. All right. Let's see what the day brings. Why did I just refresh? Oh, damn it. Just refresh the charts for some reason. I don't know why I did that. I don't know why I did that. What are you guys thinking? Long, short? What's happening in the charts today? Where are we going? YM is consolidating as well. Leia, you self-sabotaged yesterday? What happened? What did you do? Let me know. Maybe I can help you if you want to get help. Pew trades, no, I don't use that. Yep, JPD trade so far we don't have any clear direction. We are consolidating. Keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. Golden Bull says, I believe it will be a nice short here coming up. Your name is Golden Bull. What are you talking about, man? Let's see. On the 30-minute, we did sweep the high. As you can see here, we do have the SMT between ES and NQ, but we did sweep the high and the low on the hourly, so that is usually an indicator to not trade. Because if we sweep highs and lows, we have no idea where price is going to go. Let's see. MMT Trading is saying, I'm looking for longs on gold from 962, 964. Okay, so right from the VWAP level, basically. Excellent HLSAE. Do you also trade German 30? No, I don't. Estras, the code for discount, 45% discount is TREAT. T-R-E-A-T. Leia says, the drawdown is building frustration while the financial stress at home keeps building. Knowing I really can't lose this account has created immense pressure. Well, Leia, if it's all about not losing the account, have you thought about scaling down? Like the size that you're trading? And, you know, building confidence by going back to trading 1 micro? 1 micro for a week, 1 micro for 2 weeks until you have confidence back? By the way, thanks for sharing so transparently. Funny, Leah, that you say that. I think you typed that while I was saying it. So since we just both did that, Leah, it's probably the right move. Because it gets you the confidence back, you know? That's what needs to happen. Because with one micro, you can lose like 150 points on NQ before you blow the account. Actually more. 165-ish. Yeah, MES or MNQ. Hey, Market Maker Mario. Good morning. How are you doing? How are you doing? The market is consolidating right now. Left and right. Gold consolidating. NQ consolidating. ES consolidating. Platinum consolidating. Everything is consolidating. Tim Trades. Grüezi. Leah, I think I do understand. I do understand that. Nint says, financial stress at home really is an incredible pressure. I'm also experiencing it. Really affects your trading either unconsciously or not. Yeah, 100%. I've been there before. I've been there before. Grateful that that's not the case anymore, but I've been there before, living paycheck to paycheck. And not even that is enough. So all you gotta do right now is build confidence. The trader guy says, yo, Nick, check my message, please. Yeah, well, what's your message? What is your message, trader guy? Stefan, hey, Nick, just got in. Are you looking at any levels right now? We're just seeing consolidation here. If you look at the hourly, these candles here are the hourly candles. These ones right here. And the previous hourly candle swept the low and the high of its previous hourly candle. So I don't see any clear direction right now. Just waiting to see what happens. Leah, all good. All good, all good. Trading Like a Bot says, no losing day this week so far. Ended yesterday with just over $700. Looking to continue the momentum. Nice, man. Keep going. Keep it up. Surab says, I hate Wix so much. Why do you hate Wix? Paul says, hey Nick, I read this morning that 1 in 7 people in Switzerland is a millionaire. Do you think that's accurate? I don't know. If that's the statistic, could be. Could be. The trader guy says, sent on top. When do you decide when to pivot strategy, Nick? October 1 to 15th, I was up 1.2k in funded. October 16th to 29th was brutal drawdown, sitting at minus 2.8k for the month. Well, is that the only data you have, or you have data from previous months as well? Let me know about that. Maximus says, you're not reading all the messages, mate. Dude, I'm trying to get to everybody. If I miss something, please just type it again after like 5 minutes. If I don't get back to you after 5 minutes, then type it again. I'm trying to get to everybody. Really, really trying hard, guys. Sorry if I missed something. Let's see. Fun with folds. You'll make it, Leah. You know, I was left only with $200 drawdown on my funded account, and from there, I took payout. Just make a plan, decide how much is enough for you, and remember, it's one day at a time. Well, absolutely. Fully agree. Market Maker Mario says that too, micros. Let's see. Trader Darko says, Big Daddy Max, good show yesterday. Yeah, it's always fun with these guys. They're fucking crazy, man. They're insane. Better like the stream, guys. 255 likes is what we need to do another 50k growth account giveaway. Ikrahad says, how does instant funded account work? Do we still have to leave threshold before we can get payout? Yes, you need to hit a certain profit target. You will find these profit targets on in our FAQ. Just go to tradeify.co and go to the FAQ section and type lightning funded payout, and it will give you all the rules. Let's see. Thanks, Nick Trader. Appreciate you. Great name you have there. Okay, the trader guy. Over 2 years of data from February to October, you had 2 losing months. Seems like your strategy is working. Losing months are part of the game. Losing weeks are part of the game. Losing years can be part of the game. I hope it's not, but it can be. So don't worry about it. No need to change the strategy. Marco Mario says, I can't confirm or deny I got 3 more funded accounts yesterday. Yeah, dude, the Halloween promo is just too good to not load up, right? It is just too good. Maximus, how long have I been trading futures for? Since 2022. Wait. Yeah, 2022. January 2022. Saturday says, that's a good mindset for me. Keep the account for at least a month regardless of profit size. Yeah, that's a good exercise. Patrick says, can you answer my question from yesterday at 2:58 a.m.? Yeah, absolutely, Patrick. Catch up on stake is the greatest thing ever. 100% agree with you. Sup, Franya. Morning, Roy. Roy says, what's happened to your new sidekick, Nick? What sidekick? Fun with folds, 255. Really, Nick? What do you mean 255? We need 355. 355 likes is what we need. If I said 255, that was a mistake. That was a mistake. Gene. Always try to be of service. Mick says, all I'm waiting for is the Tradeify Grand Cup. Hell yeah, I'm waiting for that too. It's going to be so sick. I almost want to stay up at Sunday night for the Open, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to trade it on Monday. Money glitch. Today NQ bearish. Today NQ right now consolidating. So we're waiting. Roki, good morning. How are you doing? Let's see what we get here. Right now, I don't see any setups, guys. We're waiting. Yeah, Nins, the co-host is just AI. No, actually tomorrow, Friday, we have a call, the co-host, so Celine, our producer, and I, and we're gonna test everything so that we're ready for next week, okay? Finally. Mohammed says, when you get funded on the growth account, are there minimum days to trade before taking a payout? Well, all that you can read in the FAQ section. Just go to Tradeify.co. Look, I'll do it for you, you know. Tradeify.co, go to the help center, and then go payout growth. And boom, our nice help center will give you the article about that. Now, how can you get a payout? Very simple. Payout requirements, you got to abide by the consistency rule, 35% consistency, minimum trading days, 5 or more. Must show a profit greater than $150 in a 50K account, $200 in a 100K account, or $250 in a 150K account. You need a minimum account balance of 53K, 104K 500, or 156 500, depending on the account size. That's what you need, all right? Go to the help center, guys. If you have questions, it's all in the help center. Always. Roy, you were having a new partner in the morning. Yep, that's gonna happen soon. Yeah, MMT trading. It's great. It's rage baiting people. The catch up on stake thing is the #1 rage bait. SB4, good morning. Maximus, why don't you have a Swiss accent? Well, I can have a Swiss accent. That's no problem, mother. I can speak like a Swiss person. That is not the problem, but I try to hide it as well as possible, because otherwise I just sound like a dummy, you know. Simple trading strategies. Are the stats going to be live anywhere on the site? Hell yeah, they will. Hell yeah. Roki, waiting on your salary to buy some evals. All right, just don't be stupid with your money. Get 1 eval, get it to pay, fund it, get it to pay out, and then buy more. Let's see. Emma, how do you get these hourly candles in the trading view window when you are in the 3M mode? That is the T-Trades Fractal Model Indicator, TTFM Pro Plus. It's a paid indicator, but you can also type PO3, and that's a free indicator that you can get. But you get the gold medal for today because you're the first person asking, and there's always somebody asking. So Iringal, if you're here, you don't get the gold medal today. Just saying. The trader guy says, I did some degen trading after that crazy dump and was green 3 accounts and red in 2 accounts. Come on, guys, don't degen trade. Except for CPI. Shh. Kirill, it's 45% only for Lightning accounts. Yeah, 45% discount only applies to 25k, 50k, and 100k Lightning accounts. Keep that in mind. Ozempic is asking, where's the lunch guy? Suriluki, where you at, man? Maximus, you're Swiss or what? Pew trades, totally get that, but that's exactly why capital preservation comes first. If trading adds more stress to an already tight situation, it stops being a tool and turns into another risk. Yep, true. True. Maximus says Swiss accent sounds rich, other. Rocket Trades Futures, hey Nick, for the cup, can we trade GC or is it just NQ and ES? Just NQ and ES. Well, everything that's on CME products. CJ says, let's get liquidated today. I prefer not to, honestly. YM Shorts, the 3BR guy says. Well, let's see. Hey, not that YM. I want the proper YM. There we go. While we're at the low of the range, close to Asia lows, I wouldn't go short here, honestly. Hell yeah, Nicholas Papa. 45% off on Lightning accounts. Just use code TREATS. It's fucking sick, guys. It's really sick. Look at this. Let's say you get a Lightning funded account, right? Lightning funded, let's say 25k. You add a promo code and you type in TREAT. Look at this. 25k Lightning funded account is now only $191.95. So you can literally get funded, instant funded, right now. You don't have to pay an eval. I don't have to pass an eval for $191.95. This is sick. Just use code TREAT for 45% off. Just fire. Let's see what that is for the bigger account. Let's say a 100k account. 100k account with promo code TREAT is $345, guys. You can get a 100k straight funded right away for $345.95. It's insane. That promo is absolutely insane. Ali, that discount is valid until October 31st, so tomorrow night. Box says, hi Nick, I received my code for the account I won last week. Just wanted to say thank you. Hey, that's kind of you. Happy that you got it. That's awesome. Guys, we're sitting at 139 likes. We need 355. 355. Come on. I'm Yannis. Discount for reset account? Nope. You don't have any resets right now. Just use code TREAT and get yourself a Lightning funded. Easy. Maximus says, I'll buy it when it's 80% off. Hey, we're not Mr. 20 here, okay? Yep, Pew trades, I know. It's 25k, 50k, and 100k. But even a 100k Lightning funded account is freaking fire, man. Marco Maker Mario went the degen promo route. Which ones did he get? 100ks? I'm assuming. Fiero78, why not on 150k? Well, I don't know. I don't make the decision. Trading Like a Bot says, it's 4:20 a.m. in Florida and I'm still on this stream every morning. Am I addicted to trading? No, man. You just set priorities right in life. Just set priorities right. I'm Yannis. So I changed account to another prop firm. Hey, sad to see you go, man. Would have loved to keep you at Tradeify. Ozempic on the rocks. I wake up 3 a.m. to trade London Open. It's my most profitable time. Trading is my business. I will show up. Hell yeah. That's the mindset, man. Gee Wizzy 1. Yo, hello. Can someone explain this to me with the clocks going back 1 hour means the sessions open 1 hour earlier? For example, for me, New York open at 2:30 p.m. Now it opens at 1:30 p.m. Yes. But only until this Sunday. After Sunday, we're going to go back to normal. SAR Trader, is Big Daddy going to be on today? Well, he was on yesterday. No, he's not going to be on today. I think today we have Joey. Joey fucking Morgan. Mohammed says, can I copy trade a growth funded and lightning funded account in Project X or it's not allowed? Yeah, you can. No problem. Nicholas Papa says 80% off on Brett's 80th birthday. Well, maybe. I think I can get him to do that. MMT trading. I'm trading the 50k instant, but still didn't hit my withdrawal targets. Risking small. Keep going, man. Keep going. JBD trades, yeah. Trading in Australia is hard, I get that. Time zone wise. Let's see what the volume is like right now on NQ. Volume is rather low right now, so not the bestest. Once we close this 30-minute candle, we could frame a short here. However, we are consolidating, so not a big fan. Marco Mario says, Joey is close to another 10k payout. Hell yeah! That's good. Hopefully he can finally afford that boat. Giuseppe says, yesterday I forgot to make TP on FMC. Make 400 instead of 1500 with 6 micros. Okay, nice. Still good. I trade, yeah, for so far the market is not giving anything. Pew trades. What do you mean? I have no idea what you're talking about. Maximus, why do we need 355 likes? We need 355, not 350. Well, very simple. Because every single day we do a giveaway, but every single day we need you to work a little bit harder. And when we first started, I think it was like the like goal was like 200 or something, or 220. And every single day the like goal goes 5 up to do another giveaway. So now for today the like goal is 355 likes. Once we reach 355 likes, we're gonna do a giveaway. That's the only reason. We're currently sitting at 176, so let's get it up. Also, we just passed 56,800 subscribers. Hell yeah, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome everybody who's new here. And of course, welcome to our OGs. Let's see. Mick says, people sleeping. Wake up, all. Yeah. Wake up. JSRR, you will find all that in the FAQ section on Tradeify.co. Wild Pew trades, I don't use that, so I don't care about it. MMT trading. Max because I have one account. I want to blah, blah, blah. Okay. Graphene says, can't wait for 100k subs. You guys are killing it lately. Hey, thank you so much. We're killing it because of you guys. 100k subs incoming. It would be a dream to hit it by the end of the year. That would be insane. That would be absolutely insane. I mean, we started end of May this year. So we've been doing this for like 5 months, guys. We went from, actually funny, when we started, we were at 6,800 subscribers 5 months ago. And now we're at 56,800. So we hit 50,000 subscribers officially right now. Hell yeah. Mick says, wake up your sister, brother, ma'am, mama, grandma. Yeah, wake them all up, man. Paul D, do you do more giveaways the more likes you get? I think I'm close to convincing the team that we're going to do more giveaways during London, yeah. We need more, because all you guys are here, OGs, tuning in every day. Gold trying to push back up the previous day high. Let's see what we got on a 15-minute. Me. Candle 3 on a 4-hour. Let's see. Mindful Soul is asking, just wondering, do you plan on climbing the Mount Everest in the future, Nick? I think no, I'm never gonna do that, honestly. That's not my kind of thing to do. Nilai says at 150k subs, maybe 70% off Lightning funded, 150k only. Well, maybe. Maybe. Let's see. Let's see. Marco McMario, you don't even have the charts open? Hell yeah, man. Just because of that, you deserve a giveaway. Yeah, Mick. Best community. Leah is asking, Nick, what do you think of having a goal amount every single day of like $50? So like trading max 10 points in MES, risk and aiming to make minimum $50 a day. I don't care how long it takes. It's a way of doing it. It's a way of doing it. However, if you have a great day, why would you limit yourself to making only $50? I'm more a fan of a daily loss limit, but not a profit target. However, if you feel like it's easier for you to stop when you hit the profit target, cool. Then you can do that too. Marco Make Mario, when you joined, we only had 7K. Dude, you joined early then. Because we started with 6.8K. That's crazy. That is crazy. What do you mean, Mick? Amir is goated, man. He's doing such great work. Who ended up winning on a subscriber count guessing game, Nick? Shukufuku is asking. Well, nobody. Nobody. Look, these were the subs predictions. I said 47K. Well, that's we're 10K higher than that. Miriam said 52. Matt said 49.2. Drew said 54. He's the closest so far. Amas said 43K. And Nick said 70K. He actually changed it to 70K, but we're not going to reach 70 by tomorrow. So the closest is Drew, to be fair. 6K82 says only thing holding us back with PT will be consistency. Yeah. All right, we have the 30-minute candle closure here. This is technically a short setup. However, the 4-hour did sweep high and lows. The hourly swept high and lows. So I'm not a big fan, honestly. Not a big fan of this trade. I'm not going to take this. Let's see. Alex, no. FOMC, I had a date night with my girlfriend. I didn't care about FOMC. The only news I trade is CPI. That's the only one. By the way, the next time it is 13th of November. Looking forward to it. Giuseppe, you're short 3 micros on NQ. Nice. I'm not a huge fan of this movement. Good morning, matey. How are you? Good morning, Marius. Any specific reason you don't like to trade FOMC? Jacob, it's just not as aggressive as CPI. You know, CPI is the only news where we literally just go in one direction and straight up or straight down without any pullbacks. So it's my favorite. I don't trade any other news. Mr. T said girlfriend did it on purpose to save Nick from tilting on FOMC. Oh yeah, she's smart, you know. Yanis says I'm on long MGC 3980 TP402. All right, any reason you're going higher than Asia highs here? Because Asia highs might be respected. I would be careful once we reach Asia highs. Mick, yeah, I'm from Europe. I'm from Switzerland. Switzerland. Yeah, market maker Mario. Absolutely. It was the earnings that pushed the market, not FOMC. Let's see what Platinum is doing. Platinum futures. Yeah, just consolidating. Everything is consolidating right now. Give me a setup. Madi, did I trade gold today? No, I did not. Didn't take any trades so far today. Just waiting on a proper setup right now. Mick says, I got a bank in Switzerland. Nice. Rasmus says, good morning, Nick and everyone. Want a chance for free money? Better smash that like button. You know what's up, Rasmus. You know what's up. We need 355 likes, guys. 355. We're at 206 right now. We need 149 more. Robert says, sweep the highs, sweep the lows, then sweep the highs and sweep the lows. Yep. That's why we're not taking trades in right now. Final falls. Did you miss anything? Nope, you didn't miss anything. Right now it's just consolidating. I mean, look at this. The total London range so far today is... What are we at right now? 56 points. So it's still a pretty tight range. If we tap... We did just tap equilibrium here. If we close bearish here on this candle, we can take a short and then just set the stop above the candle high and go for a 2-to-1. That will work. Down to previous day mid. That's not too bad. Let's see if this candle closes bearish in a minute. I would be interested in a short at that point because 50% equilibrium is holding us down. VWAP is holding us down. And we do have a candle 2 closure, so this is a trade I would take for a good old 2-to-1. Yeah, Patrick, send me a DM on Instagram. I'll tell you there. No way you did, Pew Trades. You met the Prince of Liechtenstein? That's awesome. That's awesome. This is what I don't want to see. I don't want to see a 3-minute bullish candle. I want to see a 3-minute bearish candle. That's when I would be interested in taking this short. Not a bearish close, so I'm not entering this trade. Not entering this trade. We had an idea, it didn't work. Hey, there's Suriluki. What's up? Ozempic has already been asking for you, Suriluki. Has already been asking, where's the lunch guy? Let's see. Suriluki, you should change your username, man. You should change your username to Suriluki the lunch guy. That's what you should do. I mean, Market Maker Mario, his username was Mario S, and then he changed it to Market Maker Mario. And now, Suriluki, you need to change your name to Suriluki the lunch guy. We're at 226 likes, guys. 226. We're still holding equilibrium here on NQ. So if we get a bearish candle to the downside, we are going to take a short. I want a clean bearish candle though. Clean is what we need. Hell yeah, Mario, lean into it. Guys, I'm bored. This market gets me bored. Tell me a funny story. Who has the funniest story in the chat? Let me know. Who has the funniest story? It could be trading story, could be anything. Something funny. Let's get some entertainment. Bitcoin says no broadcast notification today. Couldn't find the stream. Yeah, apparently many people can't find the stream. Our view count is way lower than usual. Way lower. I don't know what happened. Patrick, why did the koala fall out of the tree? I don't know why. Because it was dead. Love it. That's exactly my kind of humor, man. Why did the second koala fall out of the tree? Yeah, well, because it was dead as well, I assume. Hey, Ziriluki, you leaned into it. Patrick, because it was attached to the first koala. I love that. Suriluki leaned into it and is now called Suriluki the lunch guy. Hell yeah, man. Fucking love that. Sushi was great yesterday. It was really, really great. I had sushi for dinner as well, by the way. You have a pet koala, Franja? That is epic. That is epic. Having a koala as a pet is kind of sick flex, man. Platinum trying to push up here. Can we finally get this bearish 3-minute candle? Hassam says, I had a 100k account. I told my mom we were going on vacation, but blew it the next day. She's still waiting for the vacation. Ouch. Ouch. Come on, front of you, just joking. You could have leaned into that and could have convinced me that you own a pet koala, man. Joker. Right? I would have believed it. I would have believed it. Kevson Pont, what is the earliest payout I can go for with a lightning funded 50k having 20% consistent rule in mind? For my logic, it would at least need to trade 5 days in order to comply to 20%. Yes, that's correct. That is correct. Chat, you're funny, guys. Hey, platinum pushing through here. Okay. Platinum pushing through. No setup for me, unfortunately, but we're moving. Gold is moving as well. Starting to move. Interesting. Guys, again, we need 355 likes to do another 50k growth account giveaway. So make sure you smash the like button if you haven't already. Let's see. MG says, looks like NQ the daily bottom is in. Nah. Not sure about that, honestly. Not sure about that. Mixon says, why Grand Puck? We can't use Project X. I want Project X. First of all, it's a Grand Cup. Second of all, stop screaming, man. Just get used to trading on Tradeify. MG. Looks like NQ daily bottom is in. I already said that. Trader Dan says, let's go gold. Saturday, as soon as I get my code for the giveaway I won last Monday, I will change it. All right, we're looking forward to it. Rasmus, so I have a friend who wants to join the trading train, but I warned him. It's very addictive. So he asked where does he start? So how does he start when he knows nothing? To be honest, I have no clue. Well, tell him to watch Tradeify TV. Just observe, see what we do, and ask questions. It's the best place to learn for free, honestly. I wish I had Tradeify TV when I started. 11 twice. Why can't we trade gold in the cup? Well, because it's a CME only cup. Kev Sampon? No. Only Tradeify Ninja Trader Project X. Graphene, why do I feel like Saturday and USA is related? I have that same feeling. I have that same feeling. OS says the Grand Puck would be a great name for a hockey tournament. That's right. All right, NQ pushing up here. See, that's why I say like we're sweeping both ends of the range. I have no idea where we're going. Robert P, I traded ES and MES yesterday because NQ is a dirty dog. Well, I like NQ, but I also like ES. I also like gold. New in platinum as well, thanks to Leia. Hell Saint says, how did the two chickens dance at Christmas? I don't know. How did they? Keeper of the Candles. Looks like we're basically waiting to hear what news comes from Trump's China visit. Directionless otherwise from what I can see. Yep, right now we don't have any clear direction at all. The E sisters. Graphene, yeah, that's right. Hell Saint says, chick to chick. Lul. Meta Risk, do you have a prediction of the highest Grand Cup bounce after the first 2 weeks? Probably like 100k. Let's see. The trader guy, does a long if we get a 5-minute candle close above 290 makes sense, Nick? You could frame it technically, yeah, because we did sweep. Okay, so this previous hour we did sweep the lows and the highs of its previous hour, but now in this hour we did respect the previous hour's equilibrium. So this is more kind of like a signal for a bullish move. On the 5-minute, did we have a change in state of delivery? We did. No, we did not yet. So we need this 5-minute candle to close bullish. And then we could frame that. But also we need to wait for the hourly to close. Fun volts. Yeah, that's true. Kirill, I agree, Nick. From this live streams, you can learn a lot, and it's best for him to grow as a trader, I think. Hey, appreciate you, Kirill. Thank you for that. Yeah, come on, market, do something. Volume is dead. JPD trades, that's right. Volume is super low right now. But the moves are still, the candles are still pretty big compared to the last couple trading sessions. Maximus says, you speak English very nice, Nick. How do you get it, being from Switzerland? I don't know. Just practice, but thank you. Just speak as much as you can. Speak, 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 speak. Volume is so dead, just like the koala, says Dan. Mike, the London session with me is the only one you watch? Hell yeah. That's awesome. Thanks. I just wish we would get a nice setup here. But right now it's kind of dead. I mean, MG, if these candles are too big for your liking, just reduce your trading size, the amount of contracts that you trade. Doodle Capital. Hey, Nick, do you do a bit of charity? Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely, I do. I don't have my own charity or anything, but I donate to charity. The Lunatics. Do you need to trade every week with Lightning Funded, even when market is not presenting setups? I'm not sure what the inactivity rule is. You have to go to the FAQ. We can do it together really quick. The amount of times I pull up the FAQ for you guys. Let's see. Here, idle time. To keep your fund account active, you must place at least one trade per week. Yeah, okay, yeah, so you have to trade one trade per week. However, you can just trade it, you can just take a one micro trade. That's okay too. Charlie Cox says his charity is us. He gives us an account every day. That's true. Doodle Capital, how can you reach me? For what? For charity? What would you like to get? Or what are you doing? Give me some context here. Let's see. Trading like a bot. Nick, who's your Roger Federer of trading? Hey, honestly, T-Trades. Like, T-Trades is goated. I love the way he trades. That's why I adapted the fractal model. Pew Trades, there are multiple websites where you can compare best prop firms. I think if you just Google best prop firm comparison, you will find all of them. See, the trader guy, I could frame these trades long, short, all directions. So I need to see a really strong move in one direction in order to be convinced. So right now I'm just sitting it out. 279 likes, guys. We need 355. Come on. The Lunatics, am I in the market lens? Yes, I am. Kryptoneer says, Nick, how long are the codes we get from the giveaway redeemable? Is there an expiration date? I think like a month. Not 100% sure though. Doodle Capital, yeah, you can send me a DM on Instagram at Nick M Trades. Mick says, this is a great stream on London. Thank you. Appreciate you being here. We are respecting this fair value gap here on the 3 minute. Well, let's see. Not a big fan of this movement though. Not a big fan. Frania, you'll be back for New York? Hell yeah. Robert says, Nick, we had a nice short trade yesterday. Yes, sir. Although I was in shorts and you said this is going to go long. Keep that in mind too. I remember, Robert. I remember you. Always. Guys, right now, since we're waiting for setups, I have time for questions. If you want to know anything, please feel free to type it in the chat. You know what I would like to know from you guys? What was your biggest day so far in trading? How much did you make on your biggest day? Everybody, drop some numbers in the chat. 11 twice. I trade the fractal model. T-Trades fractal model. It's ICT based. Surup says, frustrating break even on MGC and MNQ. Well, better break even than a loss, man. As long as you stuck to your rules, that's great. Traded Arco, what is my cat's name? One is called Fluffy and the other one is called Blue. So simple trading strategies. Biggest day was 10k. Paul 3k. Suriluki 4k. Traded Arco 35k? Hell yeah, man. That's awesome. Francesco says GC is way cleaner than NQ these days. Yeah, I agree. I agree. Fun with folds. You've already prepared your speech for winning the giveaway today. Okay. Rasmus 1400 a day. Nice. 11 twice 7k. Nice. Talk already. Don't count your biggest day because it was a mistake. Okay. How big was it though? Pew Trades 45k. Damn. Mrs. Sunshine, how do you partially close trades? Well, let's say you're in 2 minis. Just switch the order size to 1, and then if you're in a short, buy 1. If you're in a long, sell 1. Corey, futures or options? Futures all day, man. That's why I trade futures. Trading like a bot says, I'm a momentum trader. It's going to be no trade session for me. We'll wait for New York Open. Yeah, that makes sense. Rose, are outside prop firms with my own money? About 4k in a day. Hell yeah. Nice. That's awesome. VDM says my biggest day was losing 5 accounts. Oh no. That's sad. Francesco, your neighbors have a cat named Fluffy? That's awesome. My biggest day? 130... 35. 135? 130, 135, something like that. Talking trade 5k, nice. Have I entered any trades yet? Green Emerald Frog? No, because we're just consolidating right now on all the assets. Trading like a bot, 45, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Well, Gohan, no. They're just people that don't speak. No, not CPI. Not CPI. Normal day. Well, it was a day where we moved a lot, but. Kryptoneer 20k? Nice. Traded Dog, since 2017 I invested all of my extra money into crypto. I'm 10x in profit now. No fancy cars, focus on my family to take care of. Hell yeah, man. That's the way to do it. That's the way to do it. We have 9 a.m. volume coming in here in 6 minutes, so this could change price action for today, but let's see. Ultra says, hit my profit target on the day and now I don't know what to do. First of all, congrats. Second of all, close down your charts, lock yourself out and enjoy your day. Go to the spa, go to the gym, do whatever the fuck you want, but stop trading. You're done. Nice. Tony, morning all. Slept in today. Late night ice hockey game last night. Well, you didn't miss anything. Look, like Matt would say, price is just humping VWAP right now. Humping Bebop. So, there's nothing to do. We're just chilling together here. Let me refresh the like count to see if we can do the giveaway already. We are sitting at 286 likes. Nope, we can't do a giveaway like that. We need 355, guys. 355 likes. Make sure you hit the like button. Ursula, do I trade CPI strat on all my accounts? Nope, I don't. I do not. Just on the ones that I mentioned in the DM I sent you, Ursula. Francesca says, not enough viewers for 355 likes. Well, some people have left already and they have liked, so their like will stay. So we do have enough to get to 355. Roki, Nick, how much would a man need to earn from trading per month so he could quit job in Switzerland and live only from trading? Well, that really depends on what your lifestyle is, right? Cheapest possible option, let's say you live alone, right? You would probably pay cheapest like 1,500 for rent. You will pay insurance, health insurance, like 350 a month. Groceries. So let's say your basic spendings are like 3k a month. I mean, if you make 5k a month consistently, you could. But my rent is already 5.5k a month, so I need more. I need more. And fortunately, I'm doing more, which is nice. Maximo, what does a VWAP do? I don't understand it very well. Well, watch some videos on it, but VWAP is volume weighted average price. It doesn't just take into consideration what the average price is, but also what the volume was at each time. So it's volume and price in correlation. But watch some videos on YouTube. There's so many free videos. Pewtrade says, so I gotta go. Gonna snowboard with my girlfriend. No trades today for me. I usually lose every Thursday. Have a good day. Hell yeah, man, Pewtrades. Enjoy your snowboarding. Have a great day. CJ, your rent is 600 in Sweden? Damn, that's low. That is very low. Could you live only from trading in Switzerland? Yeah, absolutely. I do. Roki. Hey, yo, 5k for rent? What kind of apartment do you have? A very nice penthouse apartment. It's great. It's actually very cheap. For what I get, it is extremely cheap. Keeper of the candles? No, I do not own a home. I rent. I would buy this, but you can't. They don't let you buy it. They just rent it out. Ozempic, Nick, you practice a bunch of sports. Have you collected any permanent injuries? No, no injuries. I do go to the gym a lot, so I build muscle to prevent myself from getting injuries. Nins, no, we did not reach a like goal yet. We need 355 likes. 355. Otto says 50k a month. You'd live like a king here. Where do you live? Where are you from? Where are you from? By the way, where is everybody from? Let me know in the chat. Where are you from? Gee, have I ever driven the Furka Pass? Yes, I have. Oh, to Tunisia? Oh, yeah, Tunisia is... you don't need as much money in Tunisia. Charles says that does not last. What does not last? Estonia, Slovenia, Columbus, Ohio, Estonia, Hungary, Thailand, PHP, Cyprus, Sweden, Germany. Stop G-Spot. California, Germany, India, Australia, Czech, Denmark, Australia, England, London, Czech. All right, you guys are from all over the place. Damn, that's so cool. That's what I really love about doing this. Like, we're bringing people around the world together. We're all having fun, all trading, crushing it together. Oh, Zempic, you're from Brazil? I didn't know. I didn't know. Roki says, how do you cope with paying 5K per month for rent and not for a mortgage? Well, it's just a nice place. I like it here. JSRR says, do come to India. We will love to host. Maybe one day. Francesco, now I need to visit all of you? Damn. The 11 twice says, we all full porting on different sides of the map. Nice. Hey, by the way, I really love your username. 11 is my favorite number. Oh, God. NQ, what are you doing? Whole bunch of nothing. I know what you don't says, this is about to drop, baby. Oh, let's see. Pavel says, I was a professional bodybuilder, still have 140 kilograms. I need to work out not to fall apart. Fair. MG, where would you want to live if you had no dependencies on family and language is no problem? I mean, I can live wherever I want. And I live in Switzerland. That's my choice. Switzerland is fucking amazing. Alright, gold is pushing up here to Asia highs. Platinum is about to take out Asia highs. Interesting. Suriluki the lunch guy says, Nick, visit me, I'll cook you good food. Yeah, well, by now you know what I like, so I trust you. Alright, so gold did take out Asia highs. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Trader Darko live session from your place in Fuerteventura on your rooftop. Sounds epic, man. Yeah, Rasmus, that's actually a great question. Guys, next question for you to answer. How long have you been trading for? How many years or months have you been trading for? Finch, I was actually born in the UK, but I am fully Swiss. My parents are both Swiss. I didn't live in the UK for long, like 3 months. MG, don't they take your car when you drive too fast? You would need to drive way too fast for that. Hey, Rosie, you caught 10 points on MGC? Hell yeah, nice. Well done. Nice. Leia 2 years, Lou 4 years, Krishna 2.5, Andrea 3, almost 4, MM 1. Chill guy 27 years. What the hell, man? That's awesome. Cheese balls. Well, you finally came to Earth now after 9 months. Yajiro this month marks your first year in trading. Hell yeah, nice. Nice. Traded Arco 7 years, first 3 not profitable, but 4 profitable now. That's great. That is great. Bitcoin says, are you saying that a dog born in a stable is not a horse? Well. The traded guy, personal for 2 years, props for 2 years, made close to 50k in personal and down around 4k in props. Damn. Then keep trading your personal, man. I know what you don't. 67 years now. I don't believe you. How high was your highest beating ticket in Switzerland? $700. $700. But it was a bit unfair because I didn't see that there was a speed reduction in a construction zone. It was at night, so I didn't see it. Funny enough, 1 month later, my dad went through the same zone and got the exact same speeding ticket. So either it's a DNA thing or it was really not visible. 11 twice, yeah, welcome to Switzerland. Welcome to Switzerland. And at the time, that was pretty much everything I had in my bank account, so that sucked. All right, gold pushing through here. Platinum going crazy. Damn. The first time we said it's pushing up was here at about 30 minutes ago. Damn. That would have been a nice long. Sheesh, where are you going, Platinum? Back to monthly open? Okay. Gold once previous week low, seems like. Crazy. Crazy moves, no setups for me. Wow, gold is going. Gold is going now. Holy. Let's see. Yeah, G, but it's not just a speeding ticket fee, it's also administrative fee. You know? That's what they call it. Finch says, what for you makes Switzerland so great? Well, amazing quality of life, super safe. I have everything I need here. Summer is fantastic. So winter is nice when you go to the snowy places. Other than that, I can travel in winter, you know. So yeah, just safety, quality of life, and having all my friends here as well, and family, of course. I know what you don't, says short and queue to make money, highs in, 100-point drop coming from here. Well, we'll see. We will see. Don't marry your bias. Kevson Pont, what happens if I pass a growth account with the subscription? Is it still a monthly subscription after passing? Nope. Once you passed, you don't pay anything anymore. It's a monthly subscription in eval stage, but once you pass, you pass. You're done. Lim, Nick, I watched your 0 to Hero challenge last week. Have a question. Do you set a fixed stop loss amount for each of your trades or just adjust the stop loss based on candle patterns? I adjust the stop loss based on candle patterns, but I try not to go for more than a 30-point stop loss. 30 points is at the max. Usually 15 to 20. Kingdom Wonder, wait, you have friends? Yeah, you guys. You guys are all from Switzerland, right? Maximo says, I blew my first challenge on Futures, Nick. Minis killed me. Any suggestions? Well, if Minis killed you, go to micros. Ooh, that was a nice sneeze. Mr. T, so much safety. Nick was missing the thrill, so he chose trading. Dude, gold, what the hell are you doing? I want to chase this so bad. I'm obviously not gonna, but I do want to FOMO into this hard. Yeah, cheese balls. Germany's fucked, man. So look, you did 24 points on gold since London Open. Hell yeah, man. Nice. That's fantastico. Thank you, Ursula. Let me refresh the like count, guys. We are sitting at 330. We need 25 more likes. 25 more likes and we're going to do another 50k growth account giveaway. Let's go. Platinum approaching monthly open here. Total range on NQ so far for the day is, like for London I mean, is still 57 points. We're about to take out this high here, this London high. Let's see. Angel, how do you enter the giveaway? I'll tell you once the time is up. First, we need to hit 355 likes. 355. We're at 350 now. We need 5 more, guys. 5 more. Just smack the like button. In its face. Come on, do it. Do it. We need to smack the like button. Kevson Pond, what are the pros and cons of Tradeify Prop versus Project X? Well, I mean, Project X just has the better risk settings. You know, the lockout settings are greater. By the way, we just established a new London high here. Risk settings are better, lockout settings are better. I like Project X. Let's see. Do we have the like goal? Yes, we do. Hell yeah, guys. Well done, everybody. Thanks for liking. So we're going to do a giveaway now. If you want to get the chance to win a 50k growth account, then simply you have to like the stream, you have to subscribe to the channel, and once I give you the link to the Google form, you fill out that Google form only once. If you fill it out more than once, then you will get disqualified. I'll post it 5 times in the chat. Fill it out. You have, let's see how much time we got on a 5-minute candle. Okay, you have 4 minutes and 28 seconds to fill it out. Good luck, everybody. Eels. Fill out that Google form right now. Well, Peter Elias, right now for me, gold is not bearish. Overall, yes, it is, but right now it's not. So, not looking for any bearish setups. Platinum keeps pushing up. Damn, gold, where are you going without us? Where are you going without us? It's crazy. This hourly candle has no down wick. Literally not even a single tick. Nothing. Crazy. 3 minutes and 45 seconds left to fill out the good old Google form, guys. Fill out the Google form. Gold is going crazy. Since the hourly opened 11 minutes ago, we are up 30 points on gold. Wow. That is insane. With 1 mini, that's a $3,000 move. Poof. That's insane. Gold is crazy. If it moves, it moves. Two minutes and 46 seconds left on this 5-minute candle. That is when we're going to pick the winner of the 50k growth account. That's insane, gold. Shit. Don't chase this, guys. If this taps on the previous day low, previous week low, we might see a reversal. Let's see. Keeper of the candles. I won the Tradeify merchandise giveaway early last week, but still not received the code. Any chance I'll receive it this week? Yeah, you should have received it by now. Make sure to send an email to nick@tradeify.co. That's not me. That is background Nick. So send him an email because you should have gotten it by now. Trader Dan. You called it. You're getting paid. Nice. Good for you. Good for you. I didn't see a setup for my trading style. Literally no downwick on this candle. This is a freaking what now? 30-point candle without a downwick. That's insane, guys. That rarely ever happens. That's crazy. Oh, sorry, Mick. I just saw that now. Both works. Doesn't really matter. Ozempic, I think this gold long ends my week. Very close to payout threshold in one account. I'll preserve that and give myself a Friday off. Nice. That's awesome, man. That's awesome. "40 seconds left for you guys to fill out the Google form. Here it is one last time in the chat. If you have filled it out already, do not fill it out again, because if you fill it out more than once, you will get disqualified. Platinum as well. Major pump, no down wick. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Gold going hard here. Sheesh. All right, guys, let's pick a winner for a 50K growth account. I'm gonna copy everybody over to our good old trusted Wheel of Names. And then we'll see who wins. All right, 50K growth account goes to, let's see. 50K growth account goes to Miss Trades. Miss Trades, where are you at? Type something in the chat really quick. You just won a 50K growth account. Type something in the chat. So I see you're there. Or MSR trades. It's not Miss Trades, it's MSR trades. All right, MSR trades. I see you there in the chat, so that's great. Now make sure you add your email address to our YouTube channel description, and we will send you an email with your free account within the next 7 days. Just make sure it's visible in your YouTube channel description. Congrats. Nice, nice, nice. All right, let's see. Previous week low is reached on gold. Platinum has tapped into monthly open, quarterly open. I do expect that we're going to consolidate here or reject. I don't think we can get a clean pump through this. That would be insane. Presh says, "What's up, Matt? You didn't drop the yesterday's music playlist as promised." Well, I'm not Matt. Who are you talking to? Saturday, Nick. How does Nick know the winners if he's still in bed at this time? Well, we communicate. I just sent him the details. Yeah, it could be Green Emerald Frog. Could be. Well, Presh, I didn't promise that you're going to have it by today. I'm just saying that we are going to add it into the YouTube channel description, the YouTube video description in the future, not today. Gold is crazy right now. Damn. Wish I would have caught that. But I didn't. NQ is consolidating like an ugly mutafuk. Is the other Nick gardening at night? What the hell? No. Keeper of the Candles, when you grow the Tradeify stream 24 hours a day, will you be expanding the playlist? Yes. Kerry, we will have an Asia stream for Tradeify. Don't worry. In the future, we will definitely have that. Let's see. This is just so annoying when you look and stare at these candles and it just doesn't give you anything. Nothing. I just want to set up. Too much to ask for? Apparently. Yeah, Kelly girl, I can see that here. The FOMC wick is what we retested on gold now, which is also previous week low. So maybe it reverses here. Let's see. Anthony, gold short? No, there's no reason to go short right now. You would need a setup for that first. Wolf Pops, hey Nick, does a $35 entry for the Grand Cup give you an account to trade to, or do we still buy the account separately? Well, if you buy the $35 entry for the Grand Cup, you automatically get a Grand Cup account. However, if you buy a normal Tradeify account, you get the Grand Cup account for free. So you have two accounts basically. Right, we can start framing shorts here for NQ if this 30-minute candle closes bearish. And trade it down to previous day mid maybe. Let's see. Hey Ursula, enjoy your brunch. Trader guy, I still journal, I still look at my wins and my losses, but things tend to be more smooth usually. Just because I've done it so many times now. Marco Mikamario says, wake me when gold hits 3,800. Well, set an alert, man. I'll just scream into the abyss like, Mario, get up! Anthony, I'm not trading 50-minute, 1 minute on gold. Well, on nothing, basically. Boom, banana! No, I didn't take any trades so far today. Yes, approaching London low. And Q as well. What's YM doing? Did YM break? Oh, it did break. Interesting. Interesting. Just pure ugliness right now. We are about to take out London low here on NQ. There we go. We got a new London low. Fun with folds. You're lying. Why are you lying? Come on. Give us a setup. Chat, I think this might turn into an no trade session, unfortunately. We're patient, not doing stupid stuff. The problem is once this 30-minute candle closes, we're already going to be at the bottom of the range. And if we're already at the bottom of the range, well, guess what? Then we can't short it. Well, we can, but it would just be plain stupidity. Sad day, guys. Sad day. I don't like no trade days. Or no trade sessions. Cali girl still laughing at the guy in the Flintstone outfit. Yeah, Max is hilarious. Max is so funny. I love Max. I will be on his stream in the future as well. It's gonna be nice. Yeah, Trader Mako. I see the 1 hour M5 entry, but just not clean. Nothing is clean. Rocket Trades Future, you pass your eval? Hell yeah, nice. JK1. If I have the M5 chart on the... So let's do it this way. Right now I'm on the M3. So these candles are the 30-minute candles. These ones in the middle are hourly candles. And these ones on the right are 4-hour candles. Yeah, Francesco, I see it. I'm just not gonna take anything for today, guys. Fun with folds. Nick, when are you going to dress for Halloween on live stream? Well, maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow is Halloween. Nice, Rocky. That's awesome. Congrats. That is awesome. True to show, been on gold all day, but holy cow, huge Asian range on NQ. Yep. Yup. Unfortunately, no entries though. It's a bit annoying. $11 twice. I've been trading for like futures for 3.5 years. Yeah, Rocket Trades Futures, that makes sense. Going one eval at a time. Pass one, get the next one. Giuseppe says, now I've passed 5 accounts, but the problem is it's the 3rd time this month. Am I stupid or what? I don't think you're stupid, I just think you have a risk management problem. So what I would do if I were you, Giuseppe, is set a hard daily loss limit that locks you out and you can't trade anymore once you reach that. That saves you from blowing accounts. Trust me. Trust me on that. Yeah, that's fair, Rocky. If you're not comfortable copy trading, then don't do it. Whatever works for you. If you ever reach a point where you feel like, hey, the only way to scale my income from trading is by copy trading, then get used to it by trading 2 accounts at the same time. And when you're comfortable with that, trade 3. When you're comfortable with that, trade 5, and so on. Get used to it slowly. VDM, you did 600 on M&Q, 8 contracts, 5 accounts. Hell yeah, nice. Very nice. Surab, how to heal trading traumas and relations with GCNQ. Well, watch Randy Howell's videos. Randy Howell, R-A-N-D-E, Howell, H-O-W-E-L-L, on YouTube. They're free. I worked with him one-on-one, which is even better, but if you can't do that, then watch his videos. Nice, Robert. Stein Paradox. The last song of this playlist is so stressful. It's the same one every day. Oh my god, no. So stressful. VDM hard stop at 500 saved me so many times till when the hard stop was increased, and then it's stupidity for me. Yeah, well then don't increase it. Let's see. All right, guys. I didn't get any setups. So it is a no trade session for me. I'll be back for 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, New York session stream. It's going to be a good one. We have Joey on today, and obviously Matt and I, and we're going to do some giveaways as usual. I hope you all enjoyed the show. Put a W in the chat if you liked the stream. Put an L in the chat if you didn't like the stream. Appreciate you all. I love you all. And I'll see you today at 8:30 Eastern or tomorrow at 8 a.m. UK time for another London session stream. Have a great day. I'll catch you all later. Peace out.